Hi! In front of me is REALME 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose Sound and Vibration and click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now click on Sound mode over here, and when you select Vibrate, your device will be muted and only vibrations will stay. Then you need to scroll down and click on More Sounds and Haptics. Over here, click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!